Welcome to another CIOL tutorial. My name is Carlos. Today I'm going to talk about how to enable pop-ups from our MDC Blackboard site. As it is fairly common, there are times when in Blackboard faculty needs to access external sources via links provided in the content, but sometimes these links have to open pop-up windows which by default are closed by the browsers. This can create a lot of confusion and annoyance as they will not be able to continue their work because the pop-up closes and the site refreshes. So in order to avoid that, we need to enable pop-ups from our NDC Blackboard page, and to do that I'm going to show you in both Chrome and Firefox as these are the most supported browsers. In Chrome we're going to go to the menu and we're going to go into settings. If you want to type it, you can also type Chrome :/settings. But once you're here, you're going to see the advanced option. You're going to notice here an option that says content settings, where we click on the arrow. You're going to see the pop-ups and you're going to notice that all are blocked by default. We're going to click on that arrow. On the allow option, there should be a button to add. We're going to enter https :/mdc.blackboard.com. Now the S is important because Blackboard is a secure site. If you just enter it HTTP, like most sites are and used to be, they will not be able to configure the secure site in Blackboard as it is different even by one character. So when we add it, we just have it here and it should be ready to work. Now in Firefox, we click on the menu. This is the sandwich button here. Options. You're going to see privacy and security. And here you'll be able to see block pop-up windows. Every is checked by default. So under exceptions, we should be able to allow a site, again, https :/mdc.blackboard.com. Allow, and it will be here. We want to save the changes and now it should work. And now any pop-ups that come from the Blackboard site should open normally. Thank you for watching and have a great day.